Zin tambaya. Saboda Allah. And he was there until 2011. He was re-elected again. Nigeria continued from hardship. That was when Nigeria started experiencing fully what is Boko Haram terrorist. Shakara 2011. If you were in Nigeria, you know what happened in Zaria, the crisis there between Muslim and Christian. That was in 2011 when Goodluck Ebele Jonathan was re-elected. Hunganiko, Boko Haram, here and there. So, Goodluck 2015. Yai vote out. Saboda Nigeria ya ce, muna so sabon Messiah din. Allah bamu. Former president, late president, Muhammadu Buhari. When he came in 2015, fuel catapulted from 87 naira to, as a matter of fact, zai yi magana gaskiya. When he came in, fuel didn't have a fixed price again. Yo petrol dere shida. Gobe petrol dere bakwai. Jiya petrol dere biyar. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And it finally landed at 187 naira, which was the bus stop. Dollar moved from the amount it was to a permanent price of 750 naira to 800 naira per dollar. Market value dropped down. Haba. Yaya, Nigeria, yaya. And he moved cement from 1,500 to 2,500. Nigeria were complaining. But we said, make it available and we will buy. The problem with petrol then, fuel, no matter how cost it was, Nigeria was ready to buy it. But we didn't even see it to buy. Nigeria was in a deep shit. Our local President Muhammadu Buhari. To shekara 2023 ya zuwa. Nigeria ya ce muna so sabon president. We voted, but our vote did not count. Sorry to put it this way, because not saying to say that our vote didn't count. And our incumbent president, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he came into office 2023. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu bai cika wata shida a wurin office. Petrol fuel uche 187 naira to 700 plus.